bird. It's very small. See my hand. I'll show you the scale of it. Very odd. So calm. And what you hear is a helicopter and sirens. Some civil disobedience. I hope. Maybe it's the canary in the coal mine. Weird. This is like Cloverfield. Crap! I don't want to be in that movie.